Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check update. I got some more good news for you today. But first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I'm going to be making these videos every day until this pandemic thing is over, and then I'll get back to my money and business topics. Okay, getting to the meat of the things today. Do I think this stimulus package that they're proposing, the $2,000 a month thing, do I think it's going to pass? At first, I was kind of mixed on it, but right now I am at 95% sure it's going to be passed. Nothing is set in stone. I'm just giving you my opinion. The way they're wanting it, though, they're wanting 6 months to a year, and then 3 months after the pandemic's over, they're still wanting the stimulus checks to go out. I don't think that's going to happen. I think they're pushing more out because they know it's going to get cut down, and that way we can all have a happy medium. I think that's what they're got in mind. But I can see 2 to 3 months. I'm leaning towards the 2 months, which that's still good, and that will give us 2 months of guaranteed $2,000 a piece, and that's going to add up to $10,000 a household in a lot of cases. So even if they do get it cut down to 2 months, that's still good. Now, this is just my opinion. Y'all, right now both sides of the line is on board with this. They both know that we need a new stimulus check. Even Trump has come out to say we need a new stimulus check. I mean, both sides of it. There is some Republicans that don't want it, and they're spouting off at the mouth about it. Kennedy, he said people in hell wants ice water too. Well, I'm going to tell you, Kennedy is an ass. When I was a kid, the Kennedys was people to look up to, but now that I've grown up and I can really make an informed decision, I see the Kennedys as not the people to look up to. I mean, they've got a lot of skeletons in their closet. They think their money can buy them out of trouble, and it has so far. But yeah, when I was a kid, I really admired the Kennedys, but not so much now. Y'all, like I said, nothing is set in stone, so don't go spending money. Y'all, it's looking really good for us to get this stimulus money because this is an election year and nobody wants to be the person to say no. So they're going to do whatever they can, whatever's in their power to get this passed. Y'all, when you come to my channel, you're going to get news that I hear from reliable news sources. I'm not saying that I know everything. I don't. I'm not Meet Kevin, and I don't have time like he does to make 6 videos a day. I don't know how he does, but whatever Snakeoil he's pushing on his stimulus videos, whatever affiliate marketing schemes he's got going on his, just know I'm not going to push that kind of stuff on you. I'm just going to give you the facts like I hear. Okay, one more thing. I kind of hate saying this because it's going to make some people think that I'm trying to be a know-it-all, and I'm not. But I'm going to give you a little lesson in money. Money, when you get that piece of currency in your hand, that is not real money. That is a note. Some people call it currency. Some people call it money. It's not. It's a note. It's a promissory note to pay back to the federal government. Back years ago, money was backed by gold. For every dollar that was printed, they had to have that dollar matched in gold. They don't do that no more. Now all they do is just crank out more when they need it. And that's a debt. That's a promissory note to pay back with taxes and whatever. But the head of the Federal Treasury Bank has told both sides of the party. He's told the White House. He's told everybody, think big. Make the stimulus package worth making. He says, think big. He said, because right now the interest rate is at a deficit. There is no interest rate. He told them point blank that this is free money. So think big. It's coming from him, from the head of the Treasury Department. It's going to happen, y'all. I'm 95% sure of it. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. We're going to get out of this alive. Keep your heads up. Love y'all. Till tomorrow. Ciao.